is, uh, this is an opinion on Postman's website, Postman Enterprise page. There have a lot more. There are a lot more landing pages. I'll probably go through just two landing pages: Postman Enterprise and pricing. So clearly, Postman has a theme going on. There is a design language. There is design assets. They have a spaceman and blah 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 space stuff. So there is an image here. Um, um, and the design assets aside, if you look at the rest of the content is also contrasting really well. So there is plans and pricing is all these stuff is really readable. This is really readable. Um, this stands out really well, and similar to Superhuman, Postman also uses a lot of description text to describe what they do. Um, So manage APIs better with Postman Enterprise. Okay, cool. Um, so I'm not even bothering reading this. I will come back and read this when I actually want to dig deeper. So there is design APIs in Postman. There is a new tag. Okay, cool. This is an image. I see. Right. Um, Streamline collaboration. Postman works and ensures that your team organized and maintained. So um, yeah, so I can read the stuff if I'm actually interested. Complete set of API tools, robust security. These are the main things they're trying to sell in the enterprise. This thing, dedicated customer support, Postman enterprise features. There is SSO, audit log, static IP, um, extended support, team collaboration, dedicated IPs, monitoring, Postman APIs, integrations. This is interesting because they have specific features that's actually defined for this, and there is a link to the docs. This is learning.doc Postman. Check out the link that you see here. So that is Postman slash docs slash Postman enterprise slash SSO slash intro SSO. So this all these things rings back to their documentation, which is actually nice. There are specific features that are calling out. So there is an image that represents the feature. There is a text that represents the feature. This is a nice approach. Um, this makes sense. Um, Looks like this is a square image, even though it's put on a circular background, because there are still stuff popping out of the circle. So this is a square image actually. Um, yeah, so this is a pretty short landing page, um, but that links to a lot of things. This section is interesting because it tells me what can I expect from this. Um, this is probably something that you can use for cash flow. This sort of makes sense where we have specific features and objects that we want to talk about, right? How does money management work? How does accounting work? Or how does budget work? How does tax work? And then still point them back to our docs and stuff. I'm just going to look at the pricing page also. This is not pricing page is slightly different from a landing page, uh, um, but yeah, I mean it's something worth looking at. So it's also, I mean I can't directly um, link it to a landing page, but this is also interesting. So again, there is uh, three what's it called? Three pricing options. Um, Fairly straightforward. Add-on API monitoring. There's something here. There's plan comparison. Apparently, this plan comparison is not done here. The pricing and plan comparison is done separately. That's an interesting approach. Um, Postman, Postman Pro, Postman Enterprise. There is unlimited collection variables, blah blah blah. Whole bunch of things. Postman API calls. There is so much measurement. This is interesting. Things that is not applicable here and not even color coded. This is nice. Payment options, credit card. This is free apparently. Okay, right. Um, then they have a section for um, case studies. This is interesting. Postman has a right plan for everyone. Again, same stuff. Yeah, cool. Sounds good.